Narinig nyo na ba yung intermarket correlations? Forex is the largest market in the world. Pero kailangan tignan mo rin yung ibang market bago ka mag-create ng decision mo whether you buy or sell. Just like in purchasing. Kung bibili ka ng sapatos, di ba maghahanap ka muna sa iba't ibang store bago ka mag-come up sa final decision mo kung anong sapatos yung bibilin mo. Tama ba? And same with Forex market. So let's talk about it. Gold versus USD. Si gold po at si USD ay they are negatively correlated. During times of economic unrest, investors tend to dump the dollar in favor of gold. Unlike other assets, gold maintains its intrinsic value. Kapag tumataas po si gold, bumababa si dollar. Dahil alam natin si gold ay may intrinsic value at isa siyang commodity. While si dollar, alam naman natin siyang paper bill lang siya. Then gold versus Australian dollar. Australia is the third biggest gold producer in the world, sailing out about